I'm Walter Simon, I'm a potato farmer here in South Pembrokeshire. I grow about 2,500 tonnes of potatoes here in South Pembrokeshire, all for Welsh consumers. Soil is the foundation of my business. It is so important to me because my potatoes grow in it and they utilise all the nutrients there. And if I don't have good soil, I cannot have a profitable business. So in this field, it's roughly a 7-year rotation. It varies a little bit, but I'll grow a crop of potatoes now, and it will be followed by maybe some winter barley or oilseed rape or winter wheat. And after 7 years, I'll come back and grow another crop of potatoes. Diversity in the crops really helps the biodiversity in the soil. I try to look after this soil the best I can because there's a very complex ecosystem there with all the bacteria and fungi and earthworms working away, maintaining their life and also providing nutrients to any crops that I grow. A healthy soil to me is very good for the environment because it holds water, it filters water. The soil we have here is a sandy loam, and that's the sort of soil I grow most of my potatoes on. It's not a clay soil. A clay soil will compact much more and be much harder for potatoes. So we like growing our potatoes on this nice, friable, sandy loam. When I come to look at a field to grow potatoes in, I'll come in with my fork. When there's a crop here, I'll dig the soil to have a look at the soil. I'll also test the soil to check the levels of nutrients to make sure that what I'm adding to the soil are the right levels of nutrients for the crop that I'm planning to grow. I've been growing potatoes for 35 years and I'm still learning. The use of cover crops is something which is new to me, and it's a technique which I think has got great opportunities and great advantages, and it enables us to have a green manure into our soil, which then feeds our potato crop. I look after my soils to try and produce the maximum yield I can from using the minimum amount of resources to provide the consumer with the best quality product. I believe investing in my soils is key for a productive, quality farming system.